Jake, what noise does a pig make? A pig. Yeah. What noise does a frog make? What noise does a horse make? What noise does a bee make? Yeah. What noise does a sheep make? Very good. What does a monkey do? Can't think of any other animals. Frog. Have we done frog? What does a frog do? Yeah. Up there. It's playing. Playing. Playing in the sky.
Jake, what noise does a cow make?
Does the cow go moo? Moo.
What noise does a car make? What noise does a train make? Well done!
Is Jake clever? Jake a clever boy, yes?
Do you want to give Mummy a kiss? Oh.
Oopsie! Come over here then. Mummy have a kiss, yeah? Mummy have a kiss. Mwah.
Oh.
Where's Daddy?
Can Daddy have a kiss? Daddy have a kiss? Mwah.